Welcome back everyone to a brand new video, and this time we're going to be talking about crypto traders getting wrecked. And it's not for the reason you think, and how can you actually stop it? Smash that like button. So I think the most important factor is that what we're seeing right now is just crypto seeing kind of a slump. So it's not that bad, but what we are seeing right now is crypto seeing a bull run. And next year, I'm predicting that we're going to be seeing a huge volatility. So a lot of the traders are going to get destroyed in the following days just because of what is about to happen next. So if we look, I have to pull this a bit on the side. If we look over here, what you can see is what you get. So obviously crypto going up and seeing Bitcoin at 36,000, that's awesome. That's really awesome, right? But I'm worried. I'm really worried that a lot of the traders are going to open their longs and are going to pretend that we still aren't out of recession. So the pace of U.S. economic growth picked up throughout quarter. It's a good step forward, but we're nowhere near the bull run we need to see, right? So that's what I'm pretty much worried about, that we are nowhere near where we're supposed to be. And that's what I find pretty much problematic. So I do hope we actually see more of awesome stuff going forward. But right now, it's going to be problematic. It's definitely going to be problematic in a way that a lot of traders think that it's going to be like the past bull run. It's going to be nothing like this. And be very careful, traders. Set your stop losses right. How to actually prevent liquidation in bull run is very simple. So year-to-date has been 120% per Bitcoin Ethereum. Most people trade in Ethereum or short or long it, and also Bitcoin. The issue is it's still super volatile. So we could be at this point seeing any of these charts. We could be seeing a massive spike, and this is where usually people make the biggest mistake, right? So they open a long in April 2022. And immediately in May, they already get liquidated because they trade high leverage. So what you want to do to follow this precaution is make 100% sure to follow also news outside of crypto. So also news outside of crypto could potentially give you more knowledge on what exactly is happening. Now, a lot of these traders, they're already priced in. They're pricing in what's happening, the impact of inflation's reemergence. Strong consumer spending continues to post corporate earnings and full stock market gains, which did make it a return into basic stocks. And what's happening right now, today's higher interest rate environment in response to Fed's aggressive interest rate hikes, yields on the many types of fixed income vehicles, certificate of deposit, money market funds, bonds rose as well. Mortgage rates and interest charged on other types of financing. So there's definitely tons of good stuff that we're going to be seeing. So we could be seeing tons of positive changes in actuality, but we still have tons of regulation in crypto that could be changing that. So let me tell you what's the big problem. If you, for example, have a big problem, so let's say you want to buy lots of Bitcoin. What if something happens next week and you open a long? Well, you could end up losing everything. So you got to be pretty careful with that. And the other one is that the market takes an immediate downturn. So yeah, while like we are seeing improvements in the economy, there's still huge problems like people can't afford housing. I mean, isn't that a big problem? Like, this is, in history, people had somewhere to live and now they do not. And I think that's a pretty big problem in my honest opinion. But what do you guys think about this? I'll keep you guys updated with that. If you're a trader, be very careful on the next trades you make because they might be fatal for you. You never know if you're longing. By the way, if you want, you can use Bybit bonus, link in the description below for $4,000 bonus. You can also do copy trading, not sponsored, by the way. But I think it's a problematic thing. It's definitely going to be very interesting to see what happens next and where we go from here. But scenarios like Shiba Inu could happen again, where we're seeing the markets go immediately up and then players get liquidated. Obviously, they short, some coins or they long some coins. And in crypto, that's why traders love that, right? Because in real estate and other markets like stocks, the prices are usually priced in, which means that the prices that we see now, they usually already are known by big hedge funds like JP Morgan. They have insiders that know this. But in crypto, it's such a small market that people from the crypto space, from Twitter, they realize what's the big conundrum, what's the big thing. They have a huge idea. So that's the biggest difference here. So if you don't want to get liquidated, better play it safe than sorry. And this is a long-term game. It's a marathon, not a sprint. There's people who got stopped in 2017 at its peak, and they would have still made profit on this day. So definitely tons of potential over here. Smash that like button. I'll keep you guys updated with more news. This is Coin Central signing out. Peace, guys.